Good evening. Today we are talking about management system. Management system, if you're ISO 9001-2015 standard, which is basically known as quality management system. Quality management system, here there is total 10 number of clause. If you see here ISO, the ISO basically stands for International Organization for Standardization. 9001, if you're talking about 9001, is called simply, it is the series which is assigned by the International Organization for Standardization body. It is assigned for the quality management system. Here 2015, this basically 2015 standard is tells about the standard itself when it was revised. Earlier, before this, it was 2008. ISO time to time change their standards. So currently last time it's changed in 2015. So that here it is 2015. Simply known as ISO 9001-2015 standard is known as quality management system. Quality management system has total 10 number of clause. Clause number 1 is scope. Clause number 2 is normative reference. Clause number 3 terms and definition. Clause number 4 is context of organization. Clause number 5 is leadership. Clause number 6 is planning. Clause number 7 is support. Clause number 8 is operation. Clause number 9 performance evaluation. Clause number 10 is improvement. Here if you talked about clause number 1, clause number 2 and clause number 3 is non-auditable clause. Clause number 4 to clause number 10, these are the clause or the auditable clause. Here scope is basically talking about the ISO standard scope. Normative reference is basically talking about the to prepare the standard where the normative reference taken. Terms and definition is basically about the word used in the ISO 9001 standard, like audits. What is audits? What is internal audits? What is document? What is documented? What is information? What is planning? What is leadership? All these things are defined in terms and definition in a separate standard. Clause number 4, from here our plant system, your shop floor system has been started for the internal or external audit requirements. Context of organization, clause number 5 is leadership. Here in leadership we are talking about the how to develop the policies, top management. Here planning, in this risk assessment and risk management system is here. Support, what resources we provided. Operation, what is the process, what is the process condition, all these things comes under operation. Performance evaluation, this is where we monitor the process and we measure our processes like internal audits, management review meetings. And here is the improvement, what improvement we did we explain here. Next video we are going to touch one by one all these clause and their requirements and how we know the basic requirements about ISO 9001:2015. So what we learn in this video, total 10 clauses there. Out of 10, only say these 7 clauses are the auditable clause. Top 3, clause 1, 2 and 3 are the non-auditable clause. ISO 9001:2015 standard refers the quality management system. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. 9001 is basically the series which is defined for the quality management system, and 2015 when this quality management system standard last time revised. So here if you see, here is 2015 standard, it was revised. Thank you.